Hurricane Miranda.
Let's talk about that.
Yeah. No. I'm Rhett.
I am Link from Zelda.
We lost all our money and we're stuck. We're stuck to a really bad studio with a broken ass computer, and this dude is and me basically we lost our lot of money basically. YouTube didn't work out.
I lost my glasses.
So we're gonna talk about Hurricane Miranda. I mean, good mythical, whatever the hell you're doing.
I think it's Hurricane Maria.
It's Hurricane Maria?
I think so.
What a great name. Oh, Hurricane Maria. Yeah, so, Hurricane Maria, that's a bad hurricane. Shut up! Like, it's going to Puerto Rico. I mean, Irma was pretty bad. Well, like, Puerto Rico, you know? I mean,
who cares about them?
I mean, it's trash. Puerto Rico be trash, man.
Puerto Rico be trying to hook up with the hood.
Yeah, man. I mean, Puerto Rico.
I mean, they have lovely fajitas.
They have empanadas. But, like, it's going for Puerto Rico. I mean, we live in Florida. We're fine. Look at us. Hurricane Irma just went like, whoa.
Yep, it just went beep.
Hurricane Irma sucked. We want no more hurricanes.
It just went.
And Miranda's like, no, I'm not going for them.
Yeah, it's going like.
They're too powerful.
Right.
Florida is too special. They got white people. Oh, I'm sorry, this went racist.
So basically, we're not gonna die. Puerto Ricans are gonna die, which makes everything better.
Exactly.
I'm joking. The demonetized video. Sorry, Puerto Ricans watching this video. I love you fajitas.
There was a lady on Facebook. It was like, no more hurricanes. We taking enough here in Miami. Well, you know what? Who cares about Miami? Tampa Bay is where it's at. Miami's got nothing. What do they got? Buildings?
They got Austin and Alley.
That's, oh, Jesus. No. Alright, we're done.
Let's talk about that.
No! Bye.